Tonight we're enjoying the annual Whoville event at Cattail Crossing. The cause is so dear to our hearts because it's for the Kinettes Food Hamper.
It is so much fun to raise money for the community, to see all these people come together, and just to be able to provide food hampers in a time of need when inflation is at its highest and people are in need and people need the food, people need the help, and that's the help that we can provide, and if we're able to do so through avenues like this, I think it's amazing.
It's amazing how these gnomes come to life, and it's just so much fun, and it's such a great event.
I'm excited to make it. The gnome is great. It represents that we've done something good for the community. We've been here and we've represented, like I say, our community and what we're giving back.
We have silent auctions, there's a live auction, and all the funds are for the Kinettes Christmas Hamper.
9,500 going twice, you guys. 9,500 going 3 times. All right, 9,500. Give a big round of applause, you guys.
The Kinettes and everything that they do for our community is outstanding, especially this time of year, when everybody needs to have a Christmas dinner and everybody needs to have something to give back to with their family.
It's a great event, and you know what, I highly recommend get your tickets early for next year's event. See you next year.